Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin at the end of a trading day, just around the daily candle close. It was again a quiet day. We had a bit of a small rally, but overall, yeah, Bitcoin hasn't really moved much, still hovering around that 35K area. I mean, it did push just nearly above the 36K level. So that has certainly shifted probabilities back into the towards the white count, but can I rule out yellow? No. Yeah, still 3 waves up, and we have to keep the door open for both. Honestly, we have to. But nothing else changed. I mean, I would like to see, if I see one more high, I think we have 5 waves up here. That could then be an A wave of wave 3, but we're dealing really with micro counting here. So at the moment, the white wave count is not broken, still valid, okay? The white count would be an ending diagonal in wave 5. Could easily, ideally, take it to around about 37,600. If we get there, I will count wave 5 complete. At least I will call the minimum requirements fulfilled. And then we have to be watching for a larger pullback, which would then be a wave 2, because after 5 waves are complete, that would be wave 5 of 5. We call that the completion of a larger degree wave 1, and the wave 2 pullback would follow. The trend line is holding, that wasn't broken, so I think we have to pay attention to that trend line. If we break below the trend line, followed by a break below today's low, that would shift again probabilities towards the yellow count. They are both the same essentially, okay? It's just, the question is just, do we get a deeper pullback in this wave 4 before we start wave 5? Or are we already moving in a very, very strange, choppy diagonal here in a wave 5? And to be honest, today's price action, as I said, certainly show that the bulls are there, the bulls are ready, and the bulls want to move higher in this wave 5 ending diagonal. But if we are doing that, then we need to see a little bit more price action. I need to see a break above the 36K level to confirm it from an analysis point of view, because that's the previous X wave high. At the moment, this is still fully possible that we're just forming here W, X, Y, but therefore would need a break below today's low to confirm that, okay? And then we could still get into this orange support area down there. Until then, if we zoom in a little bit and go to the 15-minute chart, yeah, then you can say, I mean, maybe it's already a 5-wave move up. It's a bit unclear. You might call that a 5-wave move up, yeah. And then this would be the A wave of wave 3 already in. So I will add some micro count here. A, B, C, yeah. And if this is the B wave, then ideally we don't want it to go below the 78.6 fib level. We want to avoid a sustained break below that, yeah. And that would be here at 34,855. So ideally, yeah, to have a setup for a C wave higher, we want to see it not go below 34,855. But again, we talk about a sustained break here. Again, we're dealing now with really, I mean, I'm on the 15-minute chart, right? So just showing you a possible pathway here in case it will extend higher more directly from here. And yeah, besides that, I don't think there is much more to add. The only thing is, obviously, if it decides to go down lower, it would not be bearish. We have another chance to reset wave 4 lower, which might have finished here last Friday. But if it needs to, it can reset that lower in the lower support area before starting the wave 5. So, you know, we are waiting for higher, watching for higher. The only question is, do we get a deeper pullback? Any pullback can be an opportunity in this current uptrend. And yeah, then let's just see if the bulls can form 5 waves to that 2.618 extension level up there. And yeah, I haven't got anything else that I could add to the analysis. Not much more price action that would allow me to add anything to the wave count. So all the previous comments remain valid. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.